by toning my skin, and I'm using the Henriksen Oil Control Toner. I'm just taking a regular cotton ball and just gonna tone my face. I got a little friend right there. Say hi, don't be rude. Next, I'm gonna take this Morgan Miller Collagen Facial Oil. So now I'm gonna use these Patchology. I put them in the box just so you guys could see the packaging because I will be using these today. These are so freaking amazing. They are patch gels for your eyes, and they do contain caffeine, and it just helps your eyes just look more bright and awake. And it does have collagen in it as well. And my under eye area is like so sensitive. It gets puffy like off of anything. Like if my contacts are bugging me, like, my eyes will just get puffy and it looked like I was crying forever when I really wasn't. So it comes with 30 pairs, so you can use it 30 times, which is amazing. They're just a great fast fix for tired eyes. So we are going to be using the Chocolate Gold palette by Too Faced. It's so beautiful. Look at it. I'm just going to take Roll-In Dough and apply it over my concealer so it sets that. Next, I'm taking So Bougie, which is this shade right here. And with the same brush, I'm going to blend it onto my crease. So I'm really focusing this on the outer corner and then blending it into my crease. Now we're going to take Cocoa Truffle, which is this dark brown right here, and we're going to apply it to the outer corner and blend it into the crease. So with a clean blending brush, we're just going to clean up the area on top where the color starts to fade, just to make sure that it's nice and blended. And then if you want to deepen it up a little bit, you can just go back in. Don't take it too high, just really focus it on the crease. But I'm really focusing the color on the outer corner, but still blending it to the front part. I'm going to mix the Cocoa Truffle with this black shade right here, and we're just going to deepen up the outer corner. Don't take the black too far up. Make sure that it stops right before your crease. We are going to clean it up on the sides, but we do want to make sure we don't pass the crease with the darker shades. We want to make sure it's nice and blended. So now that we blended that, I'm just going to go in with just the black shade and just focus this right below my crease. I'm going to grab my infamous cream color brush and grab a little bit of that concealer. Kind of do like a half cut crease. And you don't want to take it too high. You just want to stop right where your eyeball kind of stops. You know what I mean? It's better to look down and do this. You don't want to like do this. You want to look down in a mirror and apply this concealer. So we're just going to pat this onto our lids and let that pigment stick onto the concealer. Instead of us setting it, we're just going to go in and let that pigment stick right onto the concealer. So now I'm gonna wet my brush, same brush, and I'm taking the color Classy and Sassy, this pink right here. this brush, we're just gonna go back in and just whatever's on the brush, we're just gonna blend that black and pink together. If you want, you can go ahead and grab more black and just bring it to blend so you don't see that really harsh line. We're gonna take off the gel patches and just clean up underneath the eyes. But I am gonna go back and take that cocoa truffle and just a little bit more of this and blend it onto my crease, just up here a little bit. I do want to use a full coverage concealer when doing smoky eyes because I used to not do smoky eyes because I felt like I looked like a raccoon, and it was because I never used a brightening concealer or something that was a little lighter than my actual skin tone. Tarte Shape Tape Light Medium. So you could tell this is like super bright under my eyes, but it's gonna look nice when the lashes come on. So for lashes, I'm using they're by Eylure. Let me just go get them real quick so you guys can see these on my Instagram. They're by Eylure and Lee. They're Faux Mink collection in So Lush. I found these at Walgreens. I don't know where they have them anymore, but I just randomly saw them at Walgreens and I picked them up. And they're so amazing. So I'm just taking my Too Faced contour kit and just chiseling my face a little bit and bronzing it up, especially if you're gonna have like your hair up or like a bun like me right now. I like my forehead to look like, you know, it feels so weird with a bun. Look, I look like a man all over the place. Oh my god, my brush just broke. Okay, blend that out. But I really like this foundation because everything just blends like butter and it just looks so flawless. I have like a love-hate relationship. I mean, I really like it, but sometimes I feel like, I don't know. Cocoa Truffle and Decadent, which is the black one, and I'm just going to blend my eyeshadow to my lower lashes because like look at the difference. It just really opens up your eyes and it just completes the look. You know, it's a smoky eye, you know, you got to look sexy. And you do want to make sure that you blend it to the bottom when doing a smoky eye, because then it just makes your eyes look smaller if you don't. It just really opens it up. And just remove that powder. Just brush it all the way. For blush, I'm taking Coppertone by MAC. Just adding a little bit of that just to add a little bit of a pink on my cheekbones and my nose. So this one is Send Nudes by Dope Cosmetics, and then the gloss I'm using is by NYX, and it is in color Elizabeth. So these are like my favorite products. I normally use a darker color, but I'm going to use a very nude shade upper lashes, and I really like how this mascara just completes a corner. I had to do an inner corner. I'm taking Rich Girl, which is like a nice like silvery color. This one, I want to pop that in the inner corners. It's kind of like an innocent look, but it's still very glam and bold at the same time. So this is perfect for a night out. And these colors just go very well together. So I fell in love with the look so much. It's just such a nice makeup look for Valentine's Day. And guys, if you have not gotten the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, you guys need to get it. It's so amazing, even for beginners. It's such a nice palette because of the transition shades that I showed you guys. And then you can add a nice shimmery color to the lid. I feel like it's easier to work in. You don't have to do like the half cut crease and all that, but even if you blend some shadow to the crease and then add like a nice pop of shimmery color to the lid, it's gonna look really, really nice. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up because I'll be super happy. And also subscribe to my channel. If you guys are watching this and you guys are not subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button because it's gonna make me so much happier. And that is it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.